This is lavash. I think this is the first bread that was ever invented. This is very similar though to what we do in Italy with the focaccia di Recco. Just water, flour, salt, a little bit of oil, and the thinner you make it, and the gooder it is. Yeah, but you gotta shake it off, huh? What's going on here? The earth is moving. Look at this. It's about 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters maximum. And there you go. Stay there, stay. So if you want a round, you gotta start out with a round circle. If you don't want a round, that's your problem. I mean, you can make a square, I don't care. I like round things. Because God forbid it's got a misshapen. Okay, and then we have our inverted pan over here. Nice and hot, clean. I oiled it and everything else. I'm gonna put this on. Well, it's not very round anyway, but that's okay. And we're gonna let it happen. Before they invented the bread with yeast and let it rise and the sourdough and all of these other things, this was a good way. I wonder how I would have tasted 4,000 years ago. I probably tasted like shit because, you know, I mean, come on. Everybody talks about the grandmother, the mother and all that, especially if they were European. I mean, there was a freaking war, you know what I mean? Everybody was starving. And how good was the food back then, you know? It was more natural though, more gooder for you. Now the food tastes good and it kills you faster. Oh, look at that. That's amazing, man. Slowly. It's gonna puff. Ooh. That's nice. When he does that, that stretches and separates it over here and it cooks it, right? So that's very hot. You need to break it, otherwise it won't cook. It will collapse on itself, right? So you don't want to burn it too much, okay? Yeah, that otherwise it gets hard and it's not good. This is ready. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful, eh? Now we need to put some stuff in it. The shawarma. Yeah. Nice and tender, cooked all the way. Beautiful. Look at that. This way you can stew, shawarma, tomato sauce. Come with me, I got something. Glenda made a beautiful Canadian sauce over here. Canadian meat sauce. Delicious. I mean, a bolognese with peppers and mushrooms and all that is a Canadian sauce. I love it. Grab some lavash and put it in the manja cake sauce. It's good, man.
It's a chili.
I know, that's more like a chili, yeah. It's good though. It's very good, man. Yeah. Oh, I thought you'd dip it in like a scarpetta, like you're supposed to. Come on. There you go. I spent here developing that technique. That is beautiful. I'm loving it. All right.